After the drought last summer, it was very apparent to us that we didn't have enough grass on our property for our cattle. So we called in Laxton Land Services. We'll leave a link in the description. They came out and did an awesome job because we're going to restore our pastures using a regenerative agriculture method. The forestry mulcher distributes mulch all over the ground, which will break down into valuable nutrients into your soil. And it does this without disturbing the topsoil too much. A lot of places we even still had grass underneath the mulch. Now here is some before and after video of the area that they cleared. This isn't all that they got done in one day. We also had 2 massive burn piles that they reduced to nothing in the front of our property. As you can see, they eliminated a ton of that scrub brush where the grass was being choked out. But the best part was seeing the cows' reaction to the new pasture.
Just when we weren't sure if this was the right move or not, we come to see this. They're just all running around, having a good time. Look at them go. They're all playing. They're like so excited. Oh yeah, this was absolutely the right move. Dexter cuteness overload.
We really hope that you enjoyed this episode. Please stay tuned as we'll continue to show what we do to maintain the land and also watching the grass grow. Until next time, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Matt with Flying H Farms. We'll see you later.